Assalamualaikum and very good day everyone. So I'm going to explain to you on your written article analysis, which covers 25%. Yeah. All right. So basically, you're going to write an analysis based on an article. All right. And this is a pair work assessment. So if let's say the number is not even in the group, someone will have to do on his or her own. The rest will be doing this with your partner. Okay, there is no group of three. Yeah, it should be either a pair or an individual assessment. Okay, let us talk about the articles. All right, normally I will ask my students to go and search for the articles, but now that I have a pool of articles, you do not need to search for a new article. All you can do, what you need to do is to just go to the folder where I have uploaded all the articles and only choose one article. But these articles, they are on a first come first serve basis, meaning to say, if let's say the first group has already chosen one article, so you cannot be choosing the same article with the first group. So in other words, everyone will be doing on a different articles. No pair will be doing on the same article. All right. So if let's say someone or two pairs or three pairs are doing on the same article, I will just choose the pair that has chosen the article first before the rest. Yeah. Okay, let us talk about the analysis. Now, the length of your analysis should be about 600 to 800 words. So you're going to type out, your analysis. So since this is a group of this is a work of two. So please do not separate, separate the notes or separate the job or the task. Like for example, okay, I'll be doing on this, you look on that. I don't want that to happen, because of course there are few criteria that you have to follow. But students like to do, like, they separate the job. I mean, you can do that. You can assign your partner, okay, you do the other half, I do the other half. But when you want to write your analysis, I think it's best for you, or for the both of you, to sit down together and write the analysis together, instead of asking, and then you compile the write up, and then you can see, that there will be no, how should I say, yeah, it won't sync. Maybe the other half of the writing, I can see that one of you is good with the grammar, the other half maybe you're not good with the grammar. So all I'm saying here is, when it comes to the analysis, you should sit down together and write it together, or at least brainstorm on how to write together, and have someone to proofread, or to go through your analysis, so that that person can see whether that analysis represents a work of two, or is just a patch of two works being patched together. Okay, it should be in continuous writing. Yeah, there should not be any bullet forms, any point forms. It's like writing your essay. There should be an introduction, maybe talk a little bit about the article that you have chosen before you move on to the content where you do your analysis. Now, how to do the analysis? Yeah, but before that, you move on to the content to do your analysis, and then you have like a very small conclusion, and that's all. And then at the bottom of your analysis, just write how many words that you have written. It should be 600 to 800 words. Please don't write more than 800 words, because I always believe, if you write more than 800 words, or if you write more, you will commit more mistakes. So just stay between the limit. Yeah. Okay, what should you be analyzing? Okay, before we talk about the analysis, let me talk about what are the things that are needed for your article analysis. Yeah, of course, you need to have a front cover, front cover, and then a copy of the article. So once you have downloaded the article, you must attach together the articles, and also the written analysis of the article. So your analysis should consist of three parts. Yeah, the front cover, the articles, and the article analysis. in that sequence. So you're going to print out and then you're going to submit to me. Now, because we are actually um, uh, you're going to print out and you're going to submit to me, yeah? All right. Okay. Um, these are the 5 components that are compulsory for you to include in your analysis. Okay, so I've put here item A until E is compulsory. So you just go through, make sure that when you do your analysis, you have all these 5. All right, I'm not going to explain in details here because these are the components that will be covered in the topic from topic 1 until topic 8. All right, that one you have to refer to the lecture notes. And from items 5 until J, there are 5 items here. You are to choose only 3. Okay, I repeat, you are to choose only 3. So all in all, just now we have 5 compulsory items and plus another 3 out of 5. So all in all, there should be 8 items or 8 components. So the 5 A until E compulsory. F until G, on the other hand, you just need to choose only 3 items. Now, with that in mind, I would highly suggest you to go with items H, I, and J. Trust me, it'll be much easier. But then again, if you like to challenge yourself, you like to go beyond than that, or you are really good with item F and G, it's okay. It's all yours. But discuss with your partner, of course, yeah? But if you ask my advice, go for H, I, and J. Better, all right? And easier. So, if you look down below there, your article analysis should consist of items A and E, that is compulsory, 5 items, and 3 items of F and G, F until G. All right, and I have already informed you just now, I highly recommend H, I, and G. All right,